Hello guys, this is Mike and I'm shooting another video with the Ford, but this time it's a Ford Fusion 2010, and they have a pretty common problem with their handle switch, which sometimes breaks on the driver's side due to multiple use. And let me show you how to fix it way easier than a lot of video shows. You don't really have to take the whole door panel, and you don't have to unscrew and take all the clips out. You can just unscrew just 2 screws, and that would be easy, very easy fix. I'll show you.
So when my door handle all of a sudden broke down, I had to roll down the window and open myself from outside because I couldn't open the door from inside. And that happens actually pretty often to Ford, Lincoln, and Mercury vehicles. So watched a lot of videos, and all of them were showing that I have to deassemble the whole door cover, which implements a lot of work, and it's actually the hardest part to do when you're trying to replace this door handle. And none of them were actually showing that you can eliminate that whole process. As I figured out, you can just take off 2 screws and take the door mechanism, and by pulling it out, and I'll show you in the video how easy it is. You can do it within just 5 minutes.
Guys, so what I did, I only unscrewed this one and the one that was right here. So you don't really have to unpop all those clips. I mean, I started, but then I realized the easy way, all you can do is just like move it this way. So you're going to unclip just a couple of those. Then you grab the whole handle switch, and there you go. You take it like this, and then you take the, whoops, there you go, and it comes out. All you have to do is just take a couple of screws out, and I already have bought a new piece of that on eBay, which came out super cheap. I bought it like for $15, and I was surprised that it came brand new because I was expecting a used one. Anyway, it's an easy fix. As I said, you don't really have to unscrew all of the screws, just the 2 screws. Pop the top right, and that would do it. Okay, now I'm just testing how it goes. So I already put it in there, but didn't put it completely in there, just testing if it works. All right, let's see. Yeah, perfectly. And now let's try to open it using the handle. Voila. All right, as I said, 2 screws and you all set. Easy way how to fix it. It took me like 10 minutes to do that. And that's how it looks like assembled back together. Very nice and glossy. And I can't believe it was less than $15. Let me show you where normally the breakage happens. It's actually right here. As you see, this plastic handle broke off, and apparently it's quite a vulnerable thing. That's why on these models it happens quite often. Here you go. Now you have an easy fix.